My friends, welcome back to another video. This video is a special urgent video for all wing holders friends, because in this video I will show you the price change occur in the last 1 hour, and a lot of people do a mistake in this time friends, that they sell wing coin in this time friends. So friends, before seeing the more details, before talking about the more details, kindly click the subscribe button right now and also like this video friends. Subscribe is very important for you friends. I will update you every hour from a new news, so please kindly subscribe now friends. Now let's start the video. First of all, we look the price of the wing coin in this time friends. As you can see here, the price of the wing coin, as you can see, 0.001191 USD dollar is the price of wing coin in this time friends. And if we look the change occur in the wing, so the last 1 hour change is in negative and the last 1 day change is in positive range. So as you can see in the last 1 hour, a lot of people do a mistake at this time friends. Now let's see the price prediction chart of the wing coin. So as you can see here, in the last 2 hour, I think in the last 2 hour the price falling of the wing coin starts now. So when a lot of people see this kind of change occur in any cryptocurrencies, not only in the wing coin, any cryptocurrencies, when this kind of change occurs, so a lot of people decide to sell coin at this time. So no, it's not solution of cryptocurrencies markets to be safe from loss. If you want to make a good amount of profit in cryptocurrencies market, so you have to long term investment in cryptocurrencies market. Please invest for a long term friends, and the long term you will give a high get a high profit in this time. If you can see here, at this time they take a jump, and after some fast you sell it at this time, so only and only you profit, I think, for a little time. As you can see, a very little amount profit you lose. As you can see, only and only this price jump only you can profit in this time. As you can see, the last 1 hour change is in positive 2.89%, and the high price is about 0.001266 USD dollar is the current price, the highest price in the last 1 day friends. But now the farming period of the wing coin starts, so don't do this mistake at this time, and don't sell it at this time friends. Wait for a big jump, wait for a big jump. So what's your opinion about wing coin? Please share in the comment box, and kindly please don't forget to subscribe abs tech channel. I will update you every hour from a new cryptocurrency news, so kindly click the subscribe button right now. Thank you so much for watching this video.